Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Ali Mears. I'm a hospital consultant in sexual health and HIV since 2007, and I currently work at St Mary's Hospital Paddington in London, which is part of Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust. My special interest is sexual function, helping people with their sex lives when they have difficulties. And I work in a clinic called the Jane Wadsworth Clinic, and that's a multidisciplinary service dedicated to help people, men and women of all ages, with their sexual problems. And I'm really lucky because I work in a really great multidisciplinary team. So there's doctors, there's psychologists, sex therapists, physiotherapists, vulval and pain experts. And we even do what's called conjoint clinics, where a psychologist and a doctor will see patients together as needed. I'm also a qualified sex therapist. And in my view, I think often there's an artificial divide made between medicine and psychology and the problems, and there's often sort of a messy interface there between the sexual difficulties caused by these problems. And I think the brain and the body are inextricably linked. Now, as medics, I think it's important that we remember that there's more to sex and love and relationships than functioning genitals, although they're important too. And I'm sure we'll explore this further in other programmes. So if you're over 50 and watching this, then I've got some good news for you. I think the idea that sex is just for the young is really rather old hat, and I think attitudes really are changing. In fact, these days, many believe that sex, if you want it, is a really important part of life, whatever your age.
Where you from? You sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. Since you came along, you sexy thing.
In my clinics, I see lots of older people with sexual difficulties, and I'm pleased to tell you that these can be treated really successfully. The frequency of sexual problems does increase as you get older, but this channel is not going to be all doom and gloom, telling you about all the things that can go wrong with your sex life. Just because you're getting a bit older doesn't mean that you will have sexual difficulties. Of course, if you don't want to have sex, that's fine too, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So Ask Dr. Ali is a space where you can get your questions answered. So please do send in your questions, and you can do that via the comments page below. Now, we probably won't be able to answer every question that you send in, but what we will do is pick out the most popular questions and answer those on the next programmes. I do hope you come back and watch our other videos, and thank you for watching.